Yeah, good evening to you, Vicki. This facility right here is at the center of a lawsuit because according to the plaintiffs, this is a place where pregnancies can be terminated safely and women still have the right to choose. But since the decision came down and these doors were closed on Friday, they say irreparable harm has been done to the women turned away. But those on the other side of the coin, right, pro-life, they say no harm has been done. Rather, Vicki, lives have been saved. EMW has sat empty since Friday when the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. That's because Kentucky is one of at least 13 states with so-called trigger laws, which made abortion illegal immediately. That Friday, 15 women already in the waiting room were turned away. In the days since, a total of 200, according to an attorney with EMW.
They're either going to be forced to carry pregnancies to term against their will or go out of state to access abortions.
The ACLU, Planned Parenthood, and EMW filed a lawsuit claiming the abortion ban violates Kentucky's constitution. Heather Gatnerick, a staff attorney for the ACLU, was in court Wednesday arguing their case before a judge.
Kentucky courts have actually held that our privacy right is more protective and is broader and has been held to protect things that even the Supreme Court, the U.S. Supreme Court, wasn't yet.
Gatnerick also questioned the timing of the trigger law. The judge expects to rule on that within 24 hours, but wants the two sides to return to court next week to argue the injunction on the trigger law.
I feel fairly informed today. I'll be much more informed by next week.
Anti-abortion advocates are optimistic the bans will be upheld.
That right now, lives are being saved here in the Commonwealth, and anything that undoes that would do irreparable harm to the Commonwealth and to the babies in the womb.
A lawyer for the Attorney General argued it would be a radical step for the judge to remove the ban. He said it was businesses, not women in court, making the argument.
The proper party isn't here. None of these parties can suffer the injury of the deprivation of that proposed constitutional right because, again, they cannot become pregnant.
But the ACLU said they were there representing the women, including the 200 turned away since Friday. And back here live tonight, Vicki, the Attorney General, Daniel Cameron, responded to this lawsuit by promising to fight what he calls baseless claims for abortion rights. And by the way, if the Judge Mitch Perry, sides with the plaintiffs, the folks here tell me they are ready to go and resume appointments immediately. Reporting downtown tonight, I'm Lauren Adams, WLKY News.